Hello guys, in this video we are going to solve LeetCode problem 226, which is invert binary tree. Okay, so basically given the root of a binary tree, invert the tree and return its root. So by inversion means it is lateral inversion. Left will become right and right will become left. So as you can see, 2 is at the right position and 7 is at the left node. In the similar fashion, here also 1, 3 and 6, 9. So 1 will come here and 3 will come here. So we can solve this problem using recursion. So what we are going to do, basically we will check if root is null or not. If root is null, we will simply return null. Otherwise, we are going to swap the left and right nodes. So root dot left will become root dot right and root dot right will become root dot left. And then we will call the function recursively on root dot left and root dot right, and at the end we are going to return root. So in this way we are going to solve this problem using recursion. So let's write the code. If root is equals to none, return none. And now we are going to swap the left and right. Root dot left comma root dot right equals to root dot right comma root dot left. In Python, you can do swapping in one line. Now let's call the function recursively on root dot left, self dot invert tree, and here comes root dot left. Now we will copy and call this one recursive function on root dot right. Root dot right. At the end, we are going to return root. Run the code. So you can see that all the test cases are passed. Okay. Now let's submit the code. So submission is successful, our code is accepted and it's working fine. So the time complexity of this algorithm is order of n because we are traversing the root node and the tree. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.